simanyi mu lubina kole ataawe Museveni mukano Katonda agenda munyi mu Buganda tugenda kumuwanza embeera kawempe.
Ebi babigambiro babe bali amukoro gwo kwigura hishomero erya Kanyamerera Seed Secondary School eryombekirwe government. Ishomero eri rya hamusingi gw'edini y'Abasiramu omu district ya Bushenyi.
Sima abebembezi bitu na mnonga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Museveni na yebale na mbele mbele ningira kunoja munimbasa kuyimba kiyimba. Mazima nkatiyimba. Chikamushika.
Nyachamunga baranuya. N'ishomero erutwine itwikaba Nyachamunga ya secondary school. Mbanze mukyaki.
Amukisa kokubakira mwena ahwetunguka ya President Museveni yatoretira muri Champunga. Aho kuba kubutari bwebembezi burungi erisomero ni mankuta lyakubiyeho.
Orukurra abakozi mu district ya Bushenyi Fiona Sanyu atshoboreire kwishomero eri rutwire sente zirkwingana biliyoni 3.5 omu sente za Uganda kandi nguteine kibari kubanja government omu bintu byona ebyaragana isi ishomero eri.
Ko byone government yatire ukombe kwa mwanya ogwo byombekirwe tine kisigireyo kandi okombeka erishomero ryone shika kutura hati likabarwa isente zikwingana nka 3.5 billion nko kubabitira mu plan ebizimbe nikubiri
kugambira umwihanga ryona government nesha kumbeka amashomero 2, 5 na 9 konka omufezes.
Bamwe abebembezi abarimu William Ahagwe orumukuru w'ebyobwegeso mu district ya Bushenyi hamwe na Jafar basajja barabaho chairman wa district ya Bushenyi bashabira bashomesa kukora umurimo gwabo ogubaretsera ishomero kutarukuchwa government enteji.
We want our children to learn and pass with high grades. Ahabukubeje namba ni mpango yabashomesa as compared na nabana baruho. Kibanji maisa mu mwaka watanisa our pioneers of this school bashimeye kubantu bahikamu munonga hiko. The government igatigo purposely ukuyamba bantu kwibasa. Rachiriyo yo wiza hanu yari na master rich mama chawe na nabayi mkadende sina nkiji. Official disini account ya chairman we shall provide over you. Agama somero President Museveni mutero munga.
Juma Chuchu orukura ebyobwegeso mu dini y'Obusiramu yaraganisa ishomero eri ngo buri kimwe kirabira nikiburo mu ishomero eri nibaija kubakwatiraho.
The gaps that we are seeing, Uganda Muslim Supreme Council we are coming in to support. For example, the computers. I know we have around 20, the government gave around 25 computers, I think. 20
computers.
But in actual sense, we need to have a full-fledged computer lab, which is a minimum of 500 computers.
Abazaire mu district egiye ya Bushenyi nibashabwa okurebeka ngo bahagira ishomero ryabo her government ebaheire.
Mugende mukore ekikubasika kyona abana bengera mu ishomero ryanyu ryendeka hi omumisho. Ni ishomero twine ryonka omu Champunga. Takaswaza President Museveni, takaswaza District Council hamwe n'abashomesa bitu.
Ishomero ryo bwahatiri yamazire kutunga abakozi abarkwingana 3 ba government na nebindi bikozesa ebiri mu computers na nebindi ebirabahwere omukushomesa abanya Uganda. Agagasha ku Olivia Nasasira abwatayari West.